Dear one, thank you for listening this audio. This audio meditation will generate a peaceful, sacred space within and around you. Please take a comfortable position by sitting relaxed or laying down. Good. Now, observe your body from head to toe and allow it to relax. Mentally say relax, relax, relax. Deeply relax, deeply relax, deeply relax. Close your eyes and allow your eyelids to relax. Notice sounds around you. Notice all your senses, what they are observing. No reaction. Allow your mind or your thoughts to wander naturally. Don't go behind them, don't resist them. Just allow everything to happen as it is. Now ask yourself, who is noticing all these things? Who is knowing all these sounds? Who is noticing breath coming, incoming and outgoing breath? Who is experiencing this body? Who is experiencing all sounds? Who is experiencing taste? Who is experiencing touch of your body with the seat? Take your attention to your heart, spiritual heart, in the center of your chest. Bring a smile on your face and release all your stresses here and now. Just know who is experiencing all this. Take a deep breath and release. Take one more breath. Awareness in breath. Have an awareness in your breath and release with awareness. One more aware breath and release it. Bring in peace, love, happiness. Spread peace, love, happiness. Inhale gentleness, kindness. Exhale gentleness, kindness. Inhale health. Exhale health. Now I ask yourself, who is knowing all these things? Who am I? You will get no answer except a silence. This silence is your true self. Just stillness. Be still and know your divine self, true self. Stay in this silence. You may open your eyes Thank you, your body. Thank you, God. Smile and go to your work. Thank you, thank you, thank you.